What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Just got this beautiful 72 Chevelle in. Silver metallic paint with like a little bit of tint of green in it. It's got a 454, powered by an automatic transmission, Posi traction, 20-inch, beautiful American racing wheels all the way around. Gives it a great stance. Those are set up with good tires all the way around on this baby. It's really a nice looking car. Body's pretty clean. It's got a few little flaws in it. It's an older restorated car, but it really stands out. Oh, the chrome's looking good all the way around it. You saw a few spots. I'll go over it with you as we do the car so you know exactly what you're getting when you get this baby home. No one likes surprises. Granted, they all need something here and there, but at least let's poke out as much as we can right now. Body's straight. Paint lays on it good. Front chrome is good. Got updated HED lights in there. All your lights, turn signals are working. All your badging's in good shape. Cowl inducted hood. Got your pins in there. Nice. Front fender's in good shape and lines up well. Couple little touched up spots on the front here. Your hood lined up good too. All your glass is good. Got real nice gaps in your hood. I saw a little tiny bit of rubbing from here. That's probably what that was. Door is in good shape and it lines up great to the quarter. And no paint flaws on the quarter. Thing's got front wheel disc brakes. So it's got power brakes, power steering. Good tread on those tires. Rear glass, good shape. Chrome around there is fine. Rear chrome bumper, nothing to talk about. Good shape. Nice shine in there. It's got a hell of a sound system in here. And the trunk has been nicely done. Got a couple of these kicker comps. So you could boom, boom, boom. Out go the lights. Trunk's in good shape all the way around. It's got an alarm system on there. Comes with 2 remotes. Rear quarter, passenger side's great, and it's got great gaps. Yeah. All the way on the bottom to the door. No real paint flaws in there. And like I said, I'll get down on an angle. It's straight. No real wave in the paint. It's the way it should be. Drives out great. We'll go through that in a little bit. Your interior's in good shape. You've got seat belts in the back, 6x9s on your thing, and your headliner's tight, tight, tight. Way it should be. Sun visors involved in there. All the way throughout. Got a little crack. I'm going to replace this. Get that taken care of. Door panels are in good shape all the way through. Nice. Let me pop the hood for us. Hang on one second, everybody. Thank you. Nicely done inside and clean. Look at this, nice aluminum radiator, new Optimum battery, big block 454, upgraded headers, dual exhaust. Looks like a new alternator. All your hoses and belts look good. Yeah, your power brakes and power steering, clean. I don't see any runoff of oil anywhere. high rise in there. That's nice. That's a nice car. It's clean. Aluminum radiator helps tremendously. Keep this baby cooled down. You know what? Let me start this thing up. And then we'll go for a quick spin. Let me see if I can do it the old-fashioned way and reach it. There you go. Oh, look at this. Forgot to mention. Tilt steering wheel. Nice option. 10,386 miles on it. All your gauges are working correctly. Nice and clean underneath, everybody. Nice and clean. Let's take this little baby for a spin. Get this situated. Alright, I don't want to hit this guy. It's got a B&M shifter, and the sound system's a Pioneer. Oh yeah, she wants to go. Brakes feel good and steering feels tight. Oh shit, this thing goes. Giddy up, baby. Let's see what kind of funky noises we get out of it. Alright, no funky noises. Nice car. Goes through the gears really well. Nice car. Let's take it for a little bit more. Let's keep rolling. If you're looking to do some financing with us, and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 739, please go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Again, that's mgmclassiccars.com. Fill out the application, where the car's at, 10% down, will go up to 84 months financing. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. That's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, again, up to 84 months with good rates. We've got over 100 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. All my descriptions, pricing. I like this car. God, I like this car. Wow. I was online at MGM Classic Cars. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, open and closed. And if you have any questions on the cars or shipping, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. The way you get in to look at that car is call me or text me at 773-600-0919. We'll get you in. Man, this car moves. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me on this 1972 Chevelle. Now that was fun. Call me. Let's get this thing